Hey everyone, it's Four Wheel Drive Toyota Owner Media introducing our new 2023 Sequoia Limited TRD Offroad that we have built for the SEMA show and for overlanding and beyond. It's one of the first Sequoias released. We built it. We put together a package of some of the best, most proven quality products and companies out there to build this Sequoia into a truck that we can be proud of, that we would take around the world in a heartbeat today. It's something that Toyota's worked a long time to build, and we knew we had to build a vehicle that would live up to that legacy. We teamed up with the ace crew at CBI Offroad Fabrication in Idaho Falls. They did the build. So what's on this truck? Method race wheels, bead grips, 706 rims wrapped with Toyo open country mud terrains, Max Tracks traction boards, Auto Home Airlander Plus rooftop tent. Lights from Rigid sit in the Prinzu roof rack, as well as Rigid lights on the hood and down in the front bumper. Bantam from S-Pod handles power distribution. Interior from TRD. Camber Kinetic upper control arms and Toytech coilovers. Camberg's awesome billet aluminum kinetic rear trailing arms. Skid plates from CBI Offroad protect the Sequoia, and inside the front low-profile bumper, also from CBI Offroad, is a worn VR Evo 12S winch with a Factor 55 flat link. Rotopax fuel and water, PowerTank onboard air. The rear bumper from CBI Offroad in the dual swing-out style. Dometic freezer fridge, CFX3 and Dometic storage cases. Dometic water jug. CBI's beautiful craftsmanship put together an unbelievable TRD Offroad 2023 Sequoia.